Tohoku region. As you can see, the point of the exhibit is to show not only the devastation of what happened on March 11th, the Great East Japan earthquake, but also how quickly and efficiently the recovery effort is bearing fruit. And this exhibit will be here at the Consulate General of Japan until the 17th of this month. And then it will, later on, it'll be at the Japanese Canadian Cultural Center in Don Mills from March 1st to the 13th. And then from March 16th to the 29th, it'll be at the Canadian Japanese Cultural Center over in Hamilton. And there may be other places that it will move to subsequently, but those are this is the plan for the time being. And also on display is what's called the Kizuna project. Kizuna means bond, or the ties that bind. And these are pictures drawn by children, both children from around the world that were sent to Japan, and also children of the affected areas, specifically Onagawa and Nobiru of Higashi Matsushima, which are both in Miyagi Prefecture, and the village of Itate in Fukushima Prefecture. And so with that, very brief introduction. Perhaps I can ask Mr. Otsuka.
Yeah, would you like to say something?
Thank you very much for coming. You can see these pictures, and maybe you can understand how the affected regions has been recovering, and also you can see the charms of the Tohoku regions as this travel destination.
So if I may, I'm sorry, since there are some Japanese reporters, I'm wondering if I could really speak in Japanese for
Not
a
a
while,
problem.
and followed by English few remarks. どうも皆さん今日お忙しい中ありがとうございます。今お二人からご説明ありましたけど、この復興写真展というものを、明日から、こちらですね、順次その時間とあといくつかの場所でやりますけど、この私なりの理解は、目的が、2つありましてね、一つはやはりカナダの皆さんをはじめやっぱり世界の多くの人からやはりご支援、いろんな意味でのご支援があって、あるいはその連帯感があって日本はここまで復興したんだということの、一つ感謝をお伝えしたいということが一つでございまして、でカナダについて申し上げますとですね、これは私が知っている限りでも、震災直後からですね、これは連邦政府が毛布を送っていただいたり、あるいはその占領系等ですね、そういうものを送っていただいたということがございますし、あるいはその民間セクターからはレスキュー部隊なんかもですね来ていただいたと聞いております。さらにレッドクロス、カナダのレッドクロスが私の知っている限り49ミリオンカナダドルですねを集めていただきましたし、またJCCC、皆様ご存知の JCCC が大体約 1.5 ミリオンの日本円で1億2000万ぐらいですか、円ぐらいですか、これを集めていただいて、そういう中にやはりコミュニティの皆さんが本当に協力してくださいまして、この前も私マーカム市長にお会いしましたけど、マーカム市だけで、その25万5000ドルこれを集めていただいたというふうにお会いしております。そういう本当にその他いろんな有形無形のご協力いただいたですね、カナダの皆さん、コミュニティの皆さんにまず深く感謝申し上げて、そういう方にもですね、これぜひよく見ていただきたいと。これが1点で、もう1点は本当に、まだまだ復興はですね、相当頑張ってやってますけど、 残っているところも多々あってですね、引き続き頑張ってまいりますけど、相当こういうふうに回復してきたということですね。そこの仙台エアポートでもありますし、こういうことをよくアピールさせていただいてですね、ぜひ私は常に申し上げるんですけど、人道支援非常にありがたいし、引き続き多としますけど、一方では、日本にこう観光に行っていただくとかね、あるいは日本のこういろんなものを買っていただくというのが非常に実はありがたいということなので、そういうことをぜひお願いしたいと思っております。So, in English.
Thank you.
So thank you very much for joining us. So as explained by our two predecessors, we are going to launch this photo exhibit starting from tomorrow officially. This the general office for a while, and moving to other the places for a while. And then the purpose of this photo exhibits is actually, in my understanding, twofold. And one is to really express our thanks to the people across the world, including Canadians, Torontonians, for their strong solidarity and the generous support to Japanese people. That's one thing. And as far as I know, from Canada, we have received lots of types of assistance. For example, federal government, immediately after the earthquake, kindly sent us some blankets, as well as kind of the radioactive survey meters, all those kind of things. And also from private sector, Canadian people kindly sent us rescue teams and other teams in Japan immediately after the earthquake. And here in the photo too, a Canadian volunteer kindly helped Japanese victims, and then that's shown in one of these photos. And also the in the coming later of this month, Monkey Magic, very famous live group, is coming to Canada to really make performance as well as share with us radio station in Japan. And actually the member of Monkey Magic, they are Canadians, and half Canadians, half Japanese. They volunteered really on the ground to help victims. So they were shown in NHK TV as well, basically. So, and also in addition to that, as far as I know, Red Cross Canada country raised as much as 49 million Canadian dollars for Japan, and the JCCC, which represents Japanese Canadians, that organization so far has been able to raise as much as 1.5 million Canadian dollars. And also the local community members have been also very helpful. For example, Markham mayor was very much instrumental in raising some generous fund. And then in that city alone, he told me recently that the city was able to raise as much as 225,000 Canadian dollars. So, including those generous supports, we really once again this occasion like to express deep appreciation. And the second, the important theme is the recovery efforts are now well underway in Japan. And then as really shown in this exhibit, like Sendai Airport, which was devastated, disrupted by tsunami, but now fully recovered. And also the that is just the photo of a Shinkansen rapid train connecting Tokyo to the northern tip of Japan. And the Sendai station was very much devastated, and then the part of the rails were disrupted. But within 50 days, that whole train system was fully restored. So that's one example. So of course, still the recovery efforts are going on. We have to, the government continues to really make its utmost efforts to promote recovery. But I would like those, who help us, but also, all Canadians and Torontonians, I'd like to show them how far we have recovered so far. And then at the same time, we show some wonderful, sceneries of Japan and then Japanese resort areas in Tohoku region, where the tsunami actually occurred. And then I think I always have emphasized since my arrival here, but of course we really appreciate and welcome the humanitarian assistance. But at the same time, equally important thing is for many Canadians and Torontonians to visit Japan and really, as a tourist, or buy Japanese products from the region. Thereby, you can really encourage, those Japanese people affected, and then you could really, give a lot of courage and energy to Japanese people. So, at the same time, we'd like to appeal the sort of wonderful, places and then food and whatever products of Japan. So those are main two purposes. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.